A meaningful learning journey starts with the right resources. TopSeries Semester Kits for CBSE grades 1 to 5. More than just books, it's a learning journey. Designed to spark creativity, curiosity, and confidence through purposeful learning. Each kit is aligned to the guidelines of NEP 2020 and NCF FS 2022. Curriculum based on the Sustainable Development Goals. Designed to enhance 21st century skills. Experiences that inspire lifelong learning. The curriculum is divided into 2 semesters. Learning becomes easier to manage, is meaningful, and lighter to carry. Semester 1 kits include subjects like science, social studies, maths, environmental science, and English. Semester 2 kits include subjects like science, social studies, maths, environmental science, and English. Environmental science subject is only included in grade 1 and grade 2 semester kits. Students dive into theme-based learning journeys from local to global contexts, experiential activities that makes every concept come alive. And interactive tools like stories, flashcards, games and more that nurture holistic growth from social and emotional learning. Interdisciplinary connections that bring subjects together seamlessly. Packed with digital resources. It also offers phygital access to digital content for deeper engagement integrated with Top School LMS. App for teachers and parents. Learning becomes more than study time. With TopSeries Semester Kits. Get your free specimen today.